Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Books to Riches deep dive.
Yeah, it's great to be back.
You know, we are always looking for new ways to boost our wealth.
Yeah.
And today we're going to be talking about something that I think everyone can relate to.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Turning downtime into an income booster.
You know what's so cool about this is it's all about reframing how we think about time. You know, we don't have enough time to, work on ourselves or work on our finances or build our wealth or whatever it is. But then we just spend like hours every day doing stuff that doesn't really matter.
Absolutely. It's like we're trading potential wealth for, just joning out in front of the TV.
Yeah.
And that's what we're diving into today. So in our latest blog post, the best investment for building wealth in 2025. Beyond stocks.
Love the title.
Yeah.
Very catchy.
We highlighted a statistic from the Bureau of Labor Statistics.
Oh, yeah.
And I think it really puts things into perspective.
Lay it on me.
Okay, so get this.
Okay.
The average American spends 2.9 hours each day watching television.
Oh.
That's over 1,000 hours a year.
That is a lot of TV.
It is a lot of TV.
Oh.
And just imagine if you took even a fraction of that time.
Yeah.
And you invested in something that could boost your earning potential.
I mean, that's life-changing.
Totally. And that's what the blog post calls the $100,000 time reallocation strategy.
I love it.
So instead of passively watching TV for, those almost 3 hours every day, what if you spent that time acquiring a high-income skill?
So this is what I think is really interesting here.
Yeah.
We're not talking about, quitting your job and going back to school for 4 years and getting a PhD or anything.
Yeah.
We're talking about 500 to 700 hours of learning a marketable skill.
So something like digital marketing.
Yeah, digital marketing, coding,
copywriting,
all that good stuff.
Yeah, and the blog post suggests that could boost your earning potential by like $50,000 to $100,000 a year.
Potentially, yeah. I mean, that's incredible.
Okay, wait, let's just stop for a second because 500 hours sounds like a lot.
It does.
But if you break it down, that's less than 1.5 hours a day for a year.
Oh, wow. So it's like way less than we're spending watching TV.
Exactly.
Oh,
so realistically, you could just swap 1 hour of TV time for focused learning every day and be on your way to a pretty substantial salary increase.
Yeah, and that's just like the bare minimum.
Yeah.
I mean, imagine if you dedicated even more time to, leveling up your skills.
Like compound interest, but applied to your earning power.
Right.
Just a small investment of time every single day.
Yeah.
And it can yield some crazy returns over time.
And that's exactly what we see in a lot of these personal finance books that we cover all the time.
Totally.
Like Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. He's all about making your money work for you.
Instead of working for your money.
Right, exactly, like shifting your mindset from employee to wealth builder.
Yes, and I think that brings us to a really important distinction.
Okay.
That a lot of people kind of miss, and that's the difference between passive investing and building active income streams.
Yeah. Tell me more.
Okay, so passive investing.
Yeah.
Everyone's heard about that. Putting your money in the stock market and letting it grow.
Right.
But what if you could create multiple streams of income that just generate consistent cash flow?
Yeah.
No matter what's happening in the market.
Now we're talking.
Yeah, this is where it gets exciting.
Yeah.
So by building valuable skills, you're essentially empowering yourself to create wealth through a lot of different channels.
Yeah.
You're not putting all your eggs in one basket.
Love it.
You're not just relying on the stock market.
Yeah, and it's so great to see that a lot of our listeners are already on this path.
Oh yeah, for sure.
But something we noticed is that a lot of you, like 80%, actually haven't subscribed to the Books to Riches channel yet.
What? 80%.
80%.
That's crazy.
Yeah. So if you're enjoying these deep dives and you like what you're hearing, hit that subscribe button.
Yes, subscribe because it really helps us reach a wider audience and keep doing what we're doing.
Absolutely.
Spreading this message of financial literacy.
Yeah, we're all about that.
We want everyone to be able to achieve financial freedom.
Yes.
And we need your help to do it.
For sure. And also, let us know what you think about this idea of, reallocating time from entertainment to skill development.
What skills are you guys thinking about?
What do you learn?
Yeah. Let us know in the comments.
Yeah, share your thoughts.
Because, your journey might inspire someone else.
Absolutely.
Okay, so we've talked about why you should reallocate your time.
Yeah.
the importance of those active income streams. But what are some real examples of how to actually do this?
Like, how do I actually put this into practice?
Yeah, and that's what we'll get into next.
Okay, let's do it. Well, the blog post actually lays out like a whole financial freedom action plan.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, to help you actually take action on all this.
Okay, so what did that look like?
So the first step is all about reducing low-value screen time.
Okay, so cut back on the TV.
Yeah, we already talked about how much time people spend just like passively consuming stuff.
Right.
So it's about being more mindful about how you use your time.
So not necessarily giving it up entirely.
No, not at all.
But just being more intentional.
Exactly. Sure. And then once you've freed up some time, you want to dedicate at least 1 to 2 hours every day. To learning a high-income skill.
Okay, so that's where the real work begins.
That's where the magic happens.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
I love how the blog post emphasizes that even small efforts can make a huge difference.
Right.
Like you don't have to, go all in right away.
Yeah.
Just a little bit every day.
Just be consistent.
Yeah. And it says that within 6 months, you should be able to see, noticeable improvement.
Absolutely.
In your mindset, your knowledge.
Yeah.
Even your financial situation.
It's the compound effect.
The compound effect.
Small actions repeated over time.
Yeah.
Lead to big results.
I love that. And it's like, investing in the stock market.
Yeah.
You put in a little bit of money regularly.
Right.
Over time, it grows into something much bigger.
Exactly.
So it's not about getting rich quick.
Yeah.
It's about building that foundation.
Yeah, it's a long game.
Okay, so reduce screen time, dedicate time to learning a new skill.
Yep. And then the last step is take action.
Oh, of course.
You got to actually do something with the knowledge.
So start a side hustle, work with people, test out different income streams.
Yeah, experiment, see what works for you.
Out there.
Exactly. And remember, we're here to help you.
Yeah.
We got your back.
We got a ton of resources.
Yeah, blog posts, community, you name it.
Ooh. Awesome. And speaking of support, I can't believe I'm saying this again, but 80% of you still haven't subscribed.
It's crazy, right?
It's wild.
80%.
So if you're liking these deep dives, you're getting value out of this, please hit that subscribe button.
Yeah, help us keep this going.
We really appreciate it.
And also, tell us what you think about this whole idea of reallocating your time.
Yeah.
From, just vegging out to learning a new skill.
What are you excited to learn?
Yeah, what are you going to focus on?
Share your thoughts in the comments.
We love hearing from you.
Yeah, you never know. You might inspire someone else.
Totally.
Okay, so to really get you inspired, we wanted to share some book recommendations.
Okay, I love book recommendations.
Yeah, so these books have really helped us on our own journey.
Awesome.
And we think they can help you too.
So what's first on the list?
Well, we got to start with a classic.
Okay.
Rich Dad, Poor Dad.
Of course.
By Robert Kiyosaki.
A must read. Seriously, this book will change the way you think about money.
Yeah, it challenges all the traditional advice.
Yeah, throws it out the window.
It's great.
And then we have The Almanac of Naval Ravikant.
Okay.
By Eric Jorgensen.
Another good one.
Yeah, this book is packed with wisdom.
So it's like a compilation of...
Yeah, of Naval's thoughts and ideas on wealth-building happiness.
Yeah.
Specific knowledge.
Oh, yeah, we were just talking about that.
Yeah, it's a gold mine.
Awesome. And what else?
All right, next up we have The Millionaire Fastlane.
Okay.
By MJ DeMarco.
I've heard of that one.
Yeah, this one is for anyone who wants to build wealth fast.
Okay, so not the slow lane.
No more like the Speedway.
Nice.
It's all about entrepreneurship.
Okay.
Creating businesses that generate passive income.
So you can get off that hamster wheel.
Exactly.
I like it.
And last but not least, Atomic Habits.
Oh, a classic.
By James Clear.
This one's all about building good habits.
Yeah, and breaking bad ones.
Which is essential for success in any area of life.
Absolutely, whether you're trying to build a business, get in shape,
or just improve your overall well-being.
This book will help you get there.
Awesome. So Rich Dad, Poor Dad, The Almanac of Naval Ravikant, The Millionaire Fastlane, and Atomic Habits.
Boom. There you go.
4 amazing books.
Add them to your reading list.
We'll put links in the show notes.
Definitely.
Now, before we wrap up, I wanted to leave you with a question.
Okay.
That the blog post asks.
Hit me with it.
Are you ready to build wealth in 2025?
Ooh.
Yeah. It's a big question.
It is.
But it's a powerful one.
It makes you think.
Because it's a call to action.
It is.
It's about taking control of your financial future.
Yeah, it's about realizing that you have the power
Yeah.
to create the life you want.
You're not just, sitting around waiting for things to happen.
You're making things happen.
Exactly. And that could be so powerful.
It is. It's a total mindset shift.
Yeah. Going from like scarcity to abundance.
Yeah, totally. And remember, like we've been talking about, small steps, consistent effort.
Yes.
That's where the magic is.
A compound effect.
Compound growth, baby.
You're like planting a seed, right?
Oh, I like that.
It starts out small.
Yeah.
But you got to nurture it.
Give it time.
Give it time, and eventually it grows into something amazing.
A beautiful tree.
A beautiful tree or, big pile of cash.
Exactly.
So to all our amazing listeners out there, thank you so much for joining us on this deep dive.
We appreciate you.
We hope you've learned a lot.
Yeah, and that you're feeling inspired.
Yeah, ready to take action.
Because remember, investing in yourself, that's the best investment you can make.
That's the one that keeps on giving.
For sure. And if you haven't already,
yeah,
make sure you hit that subscribe button.
Subscribe to Books to Riches.
Yeah, for more awesome content on building wealth.
And achieving financial freedom.
That's what we're all about.
We're so passionate about this stuff.
We are.
And we're so grateful for your support.
Yes, thank you guys so much.
Until next time, keep learning, keep growing.
Yeah.
And keep chasing those dreams.
And remember the power to build wealth.
Yeah.
It's all inside you.
Thank you for listening.